This one entry strategy is going to change your forex trading game forever as a beginner trader. It took me a lot of time to find out exactly what I want to show you now. Now, if you look at my chart, this is XAU USD on 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, if you see here, there is one thing that is common in this resistance zone. You see right here, this is a pin bar in these three places. Pay attention to the chart. And now remember, this is 15 minutes time frame XAU USD. Now you see right here, the bears pulled down the market. The bulls said no, they pushed it up again. And then the bears said no, you can't go higher than we brought you down from. You see that, right? So the bears brought it down again. This is a massive challenge in this line right here. So nobody is accepting the other to go higher or lower than the other. You see that, right? So as at the moment you are seeing this, we are going to place a trade right now. Now, if you are looking here, we are just waiting for this 15-minute countdown to be over. Okay, yeah, so we cannot be placing a trade right now because we want this pin bar to be formed again. So around this zone here where I am drawing green right now, there should be a sign that this one is over. So we are waiting for this 15 minutes time frame to end here, and then when the next 15 minutes is commencing, by then we expect that this pin bar would have formed. It is wrong to place it here. So we can see right now that after that 15 minutes, another 15 minutes, you see the pin bar actually formed. So I had to now place a bar. You can see the similarity on the pin in the bar. The top too, you can see the similarity, right? So this is a perfect entry. Right now, what you now check is where to put your take profit and stop loss. You can see they have given you the take profit and stop loss zone already right here. So we expect that this will push up again to where the BS brought it down from. And then within this line here is where our stop loss will be, just below our entry. Then we put our TP just above the last push up by the bulls, right? So you see the trade that we just placed, but then let us respect smaller accounts. So I'm going to be closing some of these trades already. Remember that some of the time, even after placing this trade, you might have small resistance, like it can come down a little bit, but as long as you follow this protocol, it is not going to go lower than the pin bar most of the time. So let's set our take profit and stop loss just from where you're seeing on your screen right now. You can see that, right? Stop loss just from where we took off. Now I want to scroll back and show you something similar in this chart. You see right here, observe this formation right here, and also observe the formation right here too. You notice that they are just the same thing. So this is exactly why we make buys. So in case you're wondering, does it always have to be equal before we know that it cannot go lower or higher? This is another way to know when to make your entry, okay? So from what we are seeing here, this is about to actually push into the top to our take profit zone, but let us wait and see the outcome. But meanwhile, let me just close one more of this trade. Okay, so I'm just going to let this rest. Let us see the outcome. And now remember that most of the time, if you are working on your risk to reward ratio, you can bring down your take profits, because what we have here as our stop loss is $1.7. So we are bringing our take profit to like $7 or $8, so that our risk to reward ratio here is 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio. Yeah, just so you are sure that no matter how the market goes, you will always live in profit. And we can see that price is actually pushing this to the top. And meanwhile, look here, you notice that this same structure is always repeating itself, even in other time frames. You see in 30 minutes time frame, the same pin bar and the formations. You see, just pay attention to the entries. Okay, so let me just close this and keep it for a moment, and I'll be back and check it later.
1 minute later.
So you see, I back and I noticed that the take profits has already, that's within just a short while. So even as a scalper or somebody who is a day trader, you can consistently use this entry strategy, continuously cash out, no matter the size of your account. Kindly share this to help as many people as possible that are wondering when to buy or sell. So what you see on your screen about when to place that buy, if you turn it upside down, that is also when to sell. However it goes, I really wish you the best, all of this.